Hello student, today I will talk on the magnetic field pattern due to a magnet and the current carrying conductor. Magnetic field pattern. Now we see the field pattern. Field pattern when similar pole of two magnets facing each other. Suppose that this is one bar magnet and this is the second bar magnet. North pole, South pole. What we see, the both are facing to each other, north and north pole. Then which type of the magnetic field pattern we had? We can see here. This is the pattern. अब इस तरह की मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न हमको जो है मिलेगा. Clear? This type of magnetic field pattern we get. When the two poles facing each other, this type of magnetic field pattern we get. This is the similar type of the pattern when we south and south pole facing each other. North and north pole facing each other. जब नॉर्थ और नॉर्थ पोल एक दूसरे के सामने है तब भी हमें यही पैटर्न मिलेगा, और साउथ पोल जब एक दूसरे के सामने हो तब भी हमें पैटर्न यही मिलेगा। सेकंड, फर्स्ट था सेकंड क्या है? व्हेन डिसिमिलर पोल फेसिंग ईच अदर, when dissimilar pole poles facing each other, जब डिसिमिलर पोल एक दूसरे को जो है फेस करते हो तब हमें पैटर्न कैसे मिलेगा? जैसे मान लीजिए कि एक ये मैग्नेट ये हुआ, दिस इज द मैग्नेट फर्स्ट, and this is the magnet second. This is the north pole, this is the south pole, this is the south, this is the north. We can see here the north pole, that is the our magnetic field lines emerge at the north pole, and due to the south pole the field lines are attracted towards the south pole. Most of the field lines are attracted towards the south pole. Towards the south pole. And few of them are in such a way. क्लियर? कुछ इसमें से जो है ठीक उसी तरह यह जो है यहां से नॉर्थ पोल से इमर्ज होंगी और दीज आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द साउथ पोल। ये किधर की ओर जाएंगी? ये साउथ पोल की ओर। ठीक इसी तरह यह भी घटना होगी। Is it clear? So we get the such a pattern when the dissimilar poles are facing to each other. Most of the magnetic field lines are attracted towards the south pole of the other magnets. Is clear? So these are the magnetic field patterns due to the poles of two magnets facing each other. Case first when the similar pole facing each other, and the second case when the dissimilar poles facing each other. Now uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. What is the uniform magnetic field? Uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field means the magnetic field lines, that is the strength of magnetic field in a given region, is uniform at every point. Is it clear? The magnetic field in a given region, the magnetic field strength in a given region is uniform at every point, at each point. Is clear? And have same direction. And have same direction. And have same direction. This is known by the uniform magnetic field. तो इसे हम क्या जानते हैं? Known as uniform magnetic field. How can we represent? How can we represent the uniform magnetic field? Representation of uniform magnetic. Representation of uniform magnetic field. हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं? तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड is represented by drawing the parallel lines with arrowhead. Uniform magnetic field is represented by drawing the parallel lines with arrowhead, and all the arrowhead in the same direction. This is show the uniform magnetic field. Is it clear? Representation of uniform magnetic field. This represent the uniform magnetic field. Are you understand? In the next session, we talk about the magnetic field pattern due to a straight conductor carrying current and a circular loop carrying current. Thanks.